Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is take your broken cable end, cut it off just a few inches from that end where it hooks into the handle here. And then you're going to need these electrical connectors. I just choose to use these eye ones with the hole where you can get 2 cables through them. And just take some wire cutters and knock the end off it, so you just got a tube here. It's crude but effective. Alright, so now you've got 2 of these, and the other thing you're going to need is a cable that was cut off of a previous cable that maybe was broken on the other end or something, and take that over to the mower. First thing you want to do is adjust your cable to make sure that you're going to be able to tighten the belt later on. So what you want to do is pull this cable up here so that you're going to have enough room to pull it back down if your belt's slipping, which will tension the belt more when you pull on the handle. And then take your cable end here, put the Z-hook through the hole in the handle, and then feed these crimps onto the cable. And I use 2 just to be safe so it doesn't slip. Alright, then make sure that cable doesn't have a lot of slack in it. Take your crimping pliers, get the slack out. Crimp that down tight. Alright, you got that. And then you want to get the slop out of the cable. So, loosen that back up. Pull that cable down until there's not any slop in there. Tighten that back up. And then test it out. If your belt slips, you may need to loosen that nut again and pull this cable down a little more this way. Alright. Good luck. Hope it helps you out. Please give a thumbs up if you like this, and appreciate it if you subscribe. Thanks.